Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iPhone 6 Plus smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check software update for our phone iPhone 6 Plus. First of all, go to the settings of our phone here. Then go to about phone. Go to general. Then go to software update. And here it will checking automatic update is already turned on. If it is not turned on, you should turn on this so that your phone will notify whenever update is available. As of now, software update is up to date here in my phone. Okay, if there is any update here, the update will be showing and you have to click on the update package, and then you can update your phone to newer version. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.